How to see sensitive content on Twitter. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Tech TV. In this video, I will show you guys how you can see sensitive content on Twitter. So let's jump right into the video. Firstly, make sure that you have X application, that means Twitter application installed on your device. Now open your X application and tap on your profile at the top left corner. Click on Settings and Support and again tap on Settings and Privacy option. Now you will be directed to the settings of your account. From here, click on Privacy and Safety option. After that, again press on the Content UC option. Now toggle on the option that says Display Media that may contain sensitive content. And with that, you will be able to see sensitive content on Twitter. So there you have it. In this easy and simple way, you can see sensitive content on Twitter. I hope this tutorial helped you. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. We will meet you on next video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.